Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share YouTube videos with your friends. So let's start. First open the YouTube app. Now search for the video you want to share. You have to open the video. Now tap on share. There are many options to share it with your friends. You can copy link and share it with your friends. You can also share it to a messenger chat. You can share it directly to your Facebook newsfeed. Share it through Gmail, Twitter direct message. Share it as a tweet. Share it on WhatsApp, Viber, Emo Messenger, as well as Wi-Fi Direct. You can also share it via Snapchat. And lastly, you can also share it to Instagram DMs. And that's how you can share your YouTube videos with your friends. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.